Hello, once naka-login ka na sa Light Finance mo, what you can do is go to MetaTrader, make sure na demo account, tapos scroll ka sa baba, open account, tapos click MT5 Demo Classic, 1:100 ang leverage, USD, open demo account. Tapos, ayan na siya, no? Yung 904122238 yung account number mo, okay? Tapos, what you're gonna do is set it as main. Okay, don't forget to set it as main. Yan. Sa baba. Okay, yan. 9042238. So, set as main. Pagka-set mo as main. Yes. Okay. Every time gagawa ka ng bagong account, different yung server login niya, ha. Okay, so, profile, deposit. 1,000 lang to make it realistic. Okay. Pagkatapos nyan, balik ka sa MetaTrader. May kita mo ngayon na yung account is meron ng laman, or if wala pa, make sure to refresh it. So, how to connect it to MT5? Simple lang. Yung trader's password, i-edit mo lang. Tapos, yung account number mo or server login, yan na yan. Yung 904122238. Tapos, yung trader's password lang, yung tinype mo, make sure na tama lang din. Okay? Make sure follow the guidelines of Light Finance. So, yung server login mo is 904122238. Tapos, yung password mo sa i-login mo din sa MT5 is yung tinatype mo dyan sa trader's password. Okay? So, you can make as many demo accounts as possible if you want to. Alright? Sobrang dali lang po talaga. Ayan. Yun. Tapos na. So, this time, connect mo na lang. Again, yan yung account or server login mo. Tapos yung password na ginawa mo is yun na yung ilalagin mo doon.